Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. And it's not much surprise to anybody that we're still waiting. We're waiting on a trade deal with China. We're waiting for the Fed to make a decision, and it seems like they're awfully confused about the current situation of the U.S. economy. And we're still waiting on a solution on our southern border of Mexico. So not much has changed in the last week since you last heard me on this very video series. But we'll start today with the S&P 500 ending a 3-day slide up about 0.1% right now with a chart analysis score of plus 85. Generally, the markets are up today because we got news that Steve Mnuchin in a interview with CNBC said that we were about 90% of the way there. And he's talking about a deal with China. So there's some hope amongst traders that the deal will get struck soon. Currently trading at 2,923.13 with a chart analysis score of plus 85, indicating that overall we are in a uptrend for the S&P 500. And our key level to watch rest of this week and moving into next week will be 2,874.68. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Moving along, the U.S. dollar currently trading at 96.11, down about 0.1% on the day, with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that overall we are in a sidelines position for the U.S. dollar. And our key level to watch would be 96.63. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the U.S. dollar. Dow Jones gave us a green monthly trade triangle last week on the 20th at 26,695.96, a level I'd given you earlier in the last month. Chart analysis score moved to plus 85 on that move. However, we did get a red daily trade triangle yesterday after a third straight day of declines. Today, currently trading at 26,616.12, up about 0.2% on the day. And our key level to watch moving forward would be 25,958.66. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. Moving along to the Nasdaq, currently has a chart analysis score plus 55, up about 0.6% on the day. Did have the biggest losses in the last couple of days of the major indexes, trading at 7,936.12. We're still in a sidelines position with a red monthly and a green weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch will be 8,176.08. A move above that level would give us a green monthly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the Nasdaq. Gold running into a bit of resistance as it traded above $1,400 right now at $1,417.40, up about 0.1% on the day with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend for gold. And it's really its highest levels since 2013, so not unexpected to see a little bit of pressure at the top of this move. Key level to watch would be 1,405. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for gold. Crude oil making a big jump today, up over 4.6%, trading at 56.91, pushing the chart analysis score to negative 70, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term downtrend. It's just having a great day today. And that came on the information from the Energy Information Administration reporting a draw of 12.8 million barrels in crude oil inventories. That's the most substantial inventory decline in at least a year. Key level to watch would be 53.90. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for crude oil. And we'll bounce out of here, and the real star has been Bitcoin. Currently up about 9% on the day, trading at 13,360 with a chart analysis score of plus 100, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin as it's broken away from its 30-day moving average. Key level to watch would be 7,511.41. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great trading day. I'll be back Friday to give you some key levels to watch next week.